how to set the time on this watch. Right now I have it in the time is correct on this watch, but I'm gonna show you how to set the time if it's not correct. As I've said previously, the analog time display or the minute and the hour hand is synchronized with this digital display over here. So this is the main display. So to enter the to adjust the current time, just press this button over here, and then the dot flashes. And now we are going to depress this button over here or this button over here. It doesn't make any difference, but the digital time starts flashing, and as you can see, we have the time on a digital display moving, and the hands are corresponding with that time changes. So I'm gonna get back to my standard time, or what it is. It's, I believe, 13:35. Okay, there it is. And as I've said before, often you would have this mismatching between the hour and the minute hand with the analog display. But again, pressing the T button goes back to standard timekeeping mode, and it still flashes. Now I can shuffle between the date and the settings. So that's pretty much it, setting the time and date time on the Tissot T-Touch watch. Setting the date on this watch is a simple operation. Press this whilst in timekeeping mode, press this button over here until you hear the beep. So the watch right now is and shuffle over here on the center by touching it to the date function. Now to reset the date or change it, use these buttons over here. I press it, depress it, and keep it over there, and you'll see the time it's gonna start moving. And right now I'm gonna get it back to the date that is today. I'm pressing the plus button and keeping it. So today is, I believe, let me just check it out, 25th of April. 25th. Now to get back to timekeeping mode, just press this button over here, the T. It gets back to the active function, so you can shuffle between the those three options. I'm gonna leave it at the date, and when after 30 seconds of doing nothing on the tactile areas, this dot over here will stop pulsing, and the watch will go back to the standard timekeeping mode.